So are you wanting your landscape photos to rank a little bit higher in Google search? Stick around. I'm going to teach you two very quick tips here to get your landscape photos from here on Google to here on Google. And it starts right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Oh boy, today's a good one. Two quick tips here on how to get your landscape photos to rank a little bit higher on Google. And as proof, let's hop over to the computer here. I just did a quick Google search for one of the keywords I used in one of my more recent photos. Which was the gazebo here in Fort Saskatchewan that I took during the winter time, and that's exactly what I put the keyword as is gazebo in Fort Saskatchewan. And 3 days ago, it is now on the first page of Google image search. Okay, you want to know how I did that? I know you do. Let's get started. So when I finish a photo on Photoshop, so let's jump into Photoshop here. Normally the aspect ratio is probably like 3,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 or what have you across. And you don't want that. What you want to do is you want to export this and save for web legacy. You come over here, you turn this to 2500. It'll automatically correspond with the height, which is 1406. Press save and resized. So that is a resized photo for the web. I already did this for this photo, so I'm just gonna hit cancel. So the next step after resizing your photo in Photoshop is to come over here to compress jpeg.com. Bring that file in here. So for instance, let's take another photo that has already been resized, which is this Athabasca Falls in Jasper National Park. Click open. It's 2.9 megabytes. They're gonna crush it down to, let's download all. Let's open that now or let's unzip this. So originally it was, what did I say, 2.5 megabytes? It's now at 753 kilobytes, which is gonna load which is gonna have your website load super fast. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are gonna take it to another website called Geo Imager. It's a geotagger for your photos, and this is going to help your images rank a little bit higher with SEO. So right now I'm on the unpaid version. So if you were to highlight all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 photos here and geotag them all, you're going to be greeted with this little pop-up here. For the free, if you only have 1 or 2 photos that you need to geotag, that you want to rank higher, maybe if you're a little skeptical, maybe just take 2 photos. Make sure that you have the keywords in the title along with any alt tags and descriptions and whatnot, and then also add this geotag to your image, and just maybe do 1 or 2. Keep an eye on it, keep tabs on it, and you'll slowly start to see that I think this as I showed you, the gazebo in Fort Saskatchewan didn't rank at all on Google search until about 3 days ago when I geotagged all of my images on my website. So with that being said, if you're a little skeptical, try the free version. You can do 5 images a day. Maybe just start, like I said, with 1 or 2 or maybe 3. Make sure you write them down, and then once in the morning, once at night, just type in that keyword that you're using, and your photo should start to increase, or should start climbing the ladder of Google image search. So for the free version, you only have 5 photos a day. For the pro version, it's 1,000 per month. Upload as multiple images together. Yes, you can't do that on a free version. Geotag multiple photos with the same coordinates. You can do that with pro. Can't do that on free. Basic and advanced searches, you can both do that on pro, and you can't do that with the free account. So, or $9.90 a month. It's a good investment for me anyways. Let's hop over to the full paid version. Okay, so let's take this one, and take this one, and we'll bring it into oh, actually this is the wrong one. Here we go. This one, and this one. There we go. Open. There we go. All right, so now you have your 3 images uploaded if you have the paid account. If you're running on a free account, you can only do 1 photo at a time. See here, so this one was taken in Jasper National Park of Canada. Now, as you can see, the latitude and longitude of Jasper National Park is right there. So you put the keywords, Athabasca Falls, Jasper National Park. And then what you want to do is click Write EXIF tags, and then click download. It's the same image, no image lost to it. It's basically what it did is it wrote geotags in your metadata of your photo, which helps Google pinpoint, okay, so this photo was taken in Jasper National Park. All right, so like I said, once you write the EXIF tag for the keywords and your new geotags, you're set to go. Upload it to your website. Let Google crawl your website. So, quick 2 little tips there. Compress your images to make them load a lot faster on your website, and geotag your images using Geo Imager, the free version or the pro version. Take the necessary steps to elevate your images to be dispersed among all of the Google people, if you will. I think that wraps it up. If you did get anything from this video, sure appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos about landscape photography and everything that comes with it. Also, hit that like, share, and maybe drop a comment down below. Did geotagging help you? Have you ever heard of geotagging? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff, including my website. Links are in the description below. So with that being said, happy belated Easter, everyone. Hope you guys are not too full on chocolate. I sure am. Oh boy, too much chocolate. Okay. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.